So it's been like a while since I've actually been on Roblox Studio or made a Roblox game, but today we're gonna, I already built a speedrun part thing, so, yeah. Today I'm gonna probably focus on building the first map. I'm gonna go ahead and delete the base plate, or at least get some, like, stuff down. I'm thinking the first part could be like a grassland, so let me insert a part. This is going to be a series, and I don't know how long of a series it's going to be, but I know it's probably going to be until I finish. Okay, well, I'm not like the, wait, okay, I'm not the best at this, but I mean, I'm working. Okay, I'm working on it. So I'm just gonna drag the part under. This is gonna be the grass part, and I'm gonna make the grass part like pretty wide, and then there's gonna be a dirt part under the grass part. So yeah, now I'm gonna scale it up to match that. Then drag this out a little bit so they have a little bit of jumping time. Now, just gonna like make this green and then change it to grass. Okay, so that's gonna be what it mainly looks like. I'm gonna work on level 1 today, but I'm gonna plan on making like a starter lobby. But right now I'm just I'm gonna insert a spawn point, because I don't quite exactly know how to make one. Yes, it's big. I'm gonna edit it later, but that's just gonna be what's there. So now we have to add in like the dirt under it. So I'm just gonna insert a part. It ends up above the ground, but okay. Now for the dirt. And I'm planning on making this like an actual playable game. So once all of this is done, I'll have a link in the description so you can play it. Yeah. Okay. So now that it's properly scaled, I'm gonna go ahead and make this. Oh wait, no. I was gonna make it can glide off, but I don't think I'm gonna do that. So this is just gonna be like the grass, or no, the dirt part, like what the dirt's gonna be. And I don't know what I'm gonna make the dirt. I guess, yeah, the grass looks good on the dirt. So now time for like actual jumps. I'm gonna go ahead and just copy this, and that can be a jump. I'm gonna have to like go in and test it eventually, but these can be jumps. This is not gonna be like the full level, it's just gonna be like test. So let's see if the jumps are possible, or like if I should make them harder or easier. Oh wait, I forgot to anchor everything. Yeah, I'm gonna have to do that. Turn anchor on. Okay. So now it shouldn't like just drop us. Yep. Okay. I think those are pretty good jumps, but I'm gonna make some of them smaller and some of them bigger. Like this jump's a little big, so I'm gonna make it a little bit smaller, and then this jump is now big too. I'm just gonna select both of these, and then move them both back. Okay. So now this is like yet again not going to be the full map, but I think it's a good start. So now we're going to make our own trees. Yes, I could make better trees, but I'm just going to make trees now. Okay, so I'm going to insert a part, and then in that part, I'm going to insert a special mesh. So then it has the roundness to it. So it's kind of going to be like a cartoony tree. But okay. So we're going to change that to like wood color and then make the texture for it wood. Okay, so now we have a wooden plank. I'm gonna actually make it smaller. Yeah, I think that's about good. And then I'm just gonna like get a round block and yeah, I'll probably be revamping the trees eventually. But for right now, I think that looks pretty good. Let me just turn it green, and then I like the grass tree, so I'm just gonna do that. And then we're gonna make this a model and call it tree. Okay, so now this is gonna be a model and it's gonna be called tree. I'm gonna try and organize as best as I can. So in the tree model, we have part 1 and part 2. I need to make that anchored and can collide off. So you're not gonna be able to collide with the trees, because they're actually like gonna be on the track. Okay, I think tree 1 go right there, and then tree 2 can go on the opposite side. So the setting is like a grassy forest land. So I'm gonna do that. Okay. So now we have, or almost have, like most of the level done. So for a barrier, because there is gonna be a barrier, I'm gonna make like a stone wall. Or like, yeah, I'm gonna make it like, I'm actually gonna make a flower, and like, it's gonna be a flower wall. Okay, so block. Should be fairly simple, just need a basic stem and then make a flower. Okay. I'll probably also remake the flowers in the future, but oh wait, this is the wrong thing. Yeah, I'm gonna eventually like remake flowers, but for right now, this is gonna be the flower. I'm gonna scale it up a little bit too. Okay, so now we're gonna move it. Oh wait, that's the wrong thing. Okay, so now we're gonna move this over here, move it down, and then color this. Okay, this is gonna be colored kind of bright yellow, and this is gonna be colored green. So this is gonna be like our sunflower, I guess. Yeah, we could call it a sunflower. So group. Okay. So I'm just gonna make a wall of sunflowers. And I'm actually gonna make a wall. Oh wait, before I should do that, I need to do something real quick. Let's go into the original model. You need to select both of these. Anchored, can collide off. Okay, so now we're ready to duplicate our flowers. I'm gonna make an invisible wall, so it's like the flowers are kind of the barrier, except like the invisible wall's the barrier. But yeah, like I said, the link for this game's gonna be in the description when I finish it, and hopefully it turns out well. This is probably episode 1 of many episodes. So, expect me to, like, make videos every 1 or 2 days. Okay. So we stick our flowers in, and we go do it the same over here, and same over here. Okay, and then we're gonna stick flowers over here, and then over here, and then over there, and then, oop, wait. Okay, I have to copy all of these down now again. And right there. So now we just need to create our invisible wall. So it's literally just gonna be an invisible wall. I'm gonna just scale it up really high. Okay, so starting from right here, this is the invisible wall. I have to actually make it invisible, but yep, that's the invisible wall. So now, just make it big. On that side too. And then we make it big on this side. So now, let's test out a part of level 1. I will be making this level longer in the next video, but for right now, it is what it is. So when we spawn in, we see obviously that, and then when we do the obstacle courses, yeah, I can tell it's gonna be a pretty fun game. But if you I will be making a video probably tomorrow on this, so if you want to see it, make sure you come back tomorrow. Well, anyways, this has been the first part of the series, and I hope